Welcome back to our YouTube channel, guys. My name's Ardil and I'm really proud to introduce another one of our videos. Today's video, I'm walking around an Audi S5 that we've just upgraded with a new sound system. We've gone for front and rear speakers, all running off a new amplifier. If you're new to our channel, haven't seen us before, hit the subscribe button below. Otherwise, let's go. So let's start by talking about the actual component changes that we've made to the vehicle. Customers after zero difference in actual cosmetic look in the vehicle, however, wanted that really special sound. That's exactly what we've done for the customer. On this occasion, customers actually supplied all the parts. We've just supplied the wiring and the installation. In terms of what we've gone for, it's something called an Audison Prima upgrade in terms of the front and rear speakers. They're the set called the AP165s. Basically what it is comprises of an AP1 tweeter and an AP 6.5-inch driver in the door. Basically gone into a stock location into the factory positions. Plus we've also 3D printed and fully designed in-house and printed an actual, basically a plate that allows the AP1 tweeter to sit into a stock location without any damage to the vehicle at all. Then what we've also done is built a speaker ring that actually houses the 6.5-inch driver into the actual door card itself. We've also added a little bit of soundproofing as well, as the customer supplied that. Plus also what we've done is done exactly the same on the rear. We didn't have to 3D print anything for the rear cards. However, they've all gone into a stock location again for those. In terms of how we're actually powering the system, obviously with the entertainment system in there at the moment, customer wanted zero change in terms of the actual cosmetic look of the system. It's exactly what we've achieved. We're using something called an Audison SR amplifier. Basically what this amplifier is an immense amount of power that basically changes the way the sound and signals are delivered to the components. So we've taken what's called high-level signals into an amplifier by dropping out the glove box, taking those signals into an amplifier which is mounted in the rear left-hand side of the vehicle, completely hidden away. Plus then we've actually run new fresh speaker cable directly to the actual new components themselves. So a massive difference, not only in overall volume, but also in overall clarity. Later on, we're doing this in a couple of stages. Customer might be adding a sub into the vehicle or doing some other bits and pieces which we'll go through in the audio consultation. Customer came over to us via our social media methods, basically popped over a message to us. We went through everything in a bit more detail, and that's where we've landed here today with the full system installed and the customer is ready to collect. I'm sure he's going to be over the moon with the finished product, but overall really happy with the actual sound for this upgrade. This is the Audison Prima range, front and rear doors, plus we're running that all off an Audison SR amplifier. So thank you very much for watching. If you are interested in something like this, you know exactly what to do. Drop us a message on any of our social media platforms. But thank you very much, guys. We'll see you soon.